Hey guys, so welcome to Stack. Today I'll show you how to enable Wi-Fi calling on iPhone. So guys, this is a very simple video. So first, you would just simply go ahead and go to your settings into your device. Now, once you are here, you would just simply go for the cellular option over here, guys. And now once you are in the cellular option, you just simply scroll down and you should be able to see here Wi-Fi calling. So go ahead and select Wi-Fi calling. Currently it is turned off. So to turn this on or enable it, you just simply enable it. And as you can see, you should be able to see what will happen once you enable the Wi-Fi calling and some information of the purpose and select enable, and pretty much you should be able to proceed with this process and enable the Wi-Fi calling on your iPhone. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, comment down below. And thanks for watching.